Your shop's closed, lights off, doors locked. But what's protecting it while you're away? One silent break-in can undo months of hard work. That's why smart security isn't a luxury anymore. It's a must. Today's systems are quick to install, easy to manage, and smarter than ever. They learn your space, alert you only when it matters, and don't cry wolf every time a bug flies by. Whether you're running a tiny display or a multi-level store, there's a setup that fits just right. Loop alarms guard your high-value items without breaking your budget. Motion sensors and cameras send real-time updates straight to your phone. False alarms? Not a problem when your system can tell the difference between a real break-in and harmless movement. Security doesn't have to be stressful or a high-tech overload. You can start small and build as your shop grows. No wires, no drama, just calm nights and fewer worries. So next time you lock up, you won't be crossing your fingers. You'll know your space is protected, your products are safe, and your sleep won't be interrupted by an alarm that panics over nothing. Smart shop security starts with choosing the right system, and it's never been easier.